Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps you will scrolling down until you find this window of Snapchat, and you will go here to this window. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.